Title: Gold, shining with elegance and splendor. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word golden. Golden is an adjective that describes something as having the color, shine, or qualities of gold, a precious metal. It's a term that signifies beauty, elegance, and splendor. Pronunciation: pronouncing golden is simple, ɡоʊldən, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, the golden rays of the setting sun painted the sky with breathtaking hues of orange and red. Importance: golden is often associated with excellence and beauty, used to describe not only physical attributes, but also moments and achievements of great significance. Conclusion: in summary, golden is a word that signifies the beauty and radiance of gold, as well as excellence and moments of brilliance. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the golden moments that add splendor to our lives.